What up, 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 what up? Big Gene doing what Big Gene do. Sitting out here on the porch, chilling, beautiful day. Got a little package in the mail the other day, so I'm gonna open it up, do a little video on the unpackaging of my mini projector. I'm just gonna go in my backyard strictly for outside use. You know, back sitting in a little jacuzzi or just night in the backyard with the fire pit lit and show some Netflix and chill back there. So let's get into this video. Okay, this is a akaso. I don't know how to pronounce it, but it's a WT50 smart mini projector. It's about the size of a cell phone. If I can open this up with one hand. Okay, I can't. Hold on. Okay, so here we go. Alright. Looks like they have some type of, this is some type of foam doohickey. This is it in the plastic. Pull some of the plastic off. Okay, so that's it. This is a touch screen. This is like the mouse. So I guess this is how you do the volume up and down. Mode, home, and return. DLP, Texas Instruments. Speaker. I don't know what the 8G is, if that's 8 gigs or whatever, RAM or something. 2 USB ports, DC plug, headphones, HDMI, cooling fan, and that's where the projector is. Then we got on this side we got a power. I'm not sure what that is. SD card. Got a focus on this end. I'm not sure what that what this button is in the middle. Let's see if I can zoom in on that. I'm not sure what that is. I have to look at the instructions. Let's see what else is in the box. I guess that's just a business card. 12 months product warranty expansion. 50% off stuff, free trial, release product. I guess you just scan that and go online and they give you an extended warranty of some sort. I don't know. User book. A couple other little trays in here. Let's see what's in this box. Kind of hard to do this with one hand. Okay, open this box up and okay, a little mini tripod. That's cool. Looks like HDMI cable. That's cool. Let's see what's in this box. Drum roll maestro. Okay, this is our power adapter to plug it in, charge the battery. And one more box. Oh, remote control. They got a remote control for it as well. Okay. So once I set everything up, put the screen up, plug the fire stick into it, we'll see what kind of quality it is. I got it going on 100-inch screen. I didn't get a stand for the screen, so I'm gonna have to build some type of frame to hold the screen. So that's the next project. See y'all in a little bit.